Hi, my name is Cheryl Kuchek, and I'm with Just My Imagination Designs, and I'm from Massapequa Park, New York. I owned the Trotec 360. Prior to that, I owned the Speedy 300, and then I had the Speedy 100. There's numerous laser companies out there, and I don't think any of them really even come close to Trotec. And I looked at them, and the things that sold me on the Trotec was the laser, the ceramic laser, the precision of it, how well built it is. Most companies won't tell you this when they sell you. You know, they want to sell you. The thing I loved about Trotec was it was very laid back. There was no issues in terms of high pressure, which was really important. I've been working with them now for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, and every person that works here that I've encountered is amazing, and that's the truth. You know, they're helpful, always wanting to help you to become better at whatever you're doing with the laser. The thing that I loved the most was that I could count on the fact that they would train me, that they would be there for me. If I needed tech support, they were there. And it's really a tank. So if you don't know, this is better than a Mercedes, just saying.